Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. And here is the story time. And this is morning time. Usually morning we have a voice more excited and that. But I was thinking, this is the best time. My family is out for their own business and it's quiet, and I usually do not have such a quiet time without the door banging, without the kitchen chopping, dishwashing, and walking around sound. So I want to use this time to do a voiceover and tell the stories. And the reason I want to do it because I have listened to one professional voiceover artist, and she has demonstrated 4 different kind of a voice she can produce. I am sure she can produce much more. There was just reading a textbook kind of voice. There was a businesswoman kind of voice. There was an excited commercial voice, and then she has also done a voice that is soft, cozy, warm voice. So within a day, I think if we make an effort, we can produce some different kind of voice. And it depends on your intention, actually. If I intend to produce something nightly, night-telling story kind of voice, I can just close my eyes. Now I am closing my eyes and doing this voiceover. And another thought about it. Okay, so here is another thought I have for now. Yeah, so I have searched online and listened to the Greek mythology, not only Greek mythology, self-improvement and history and philosophy, whatever, you name it, everything. There are a lot of information out there. And then I start to realize those are machine-made. You can use AI to generate, because the image was not drawn, hand-drawn, was computer-generated. And the voice is also computer-generated. How do you do this? It's just is that you have an idea, and then you put in the word, and then the computer or the internet or the artificial intelligence can generate a story. You can write, this story will be read in 30 minutes, 25.7 minutes, and then computer can generate exactly according to your idea. And then I was thinking, yeah, what a wonderful opportunity for me. You know, everything can be generated by artificial intelligence. Then you can learn everything, and there will be no people who make real voice. And that is a chance for me. I am so grateful for artificial intelligence to provide me a chance to be different from others. And this is the first time that I am different from others. I feel so good. For my whole life, I always think I am ordinary, I am medium, I am nothing different. If you go to any place, you search someone ordinary in the medium, not too good, not too bad, not too pretty, not too ugly, not too smart, not too unsmart, not too tall, not too short, not too loud, not too silent, not too noisy, not too quiet, not too busy, not too slow. You find someone right in the middle. That is yanghaiying. I am not this way, not that way. But this is the chance that I can be different from others. I might be the only voices that I read a book, I read a piece of paper, and I write with my hand. You can hear the sound of me writing on the paper with a marker pen. Jot down the idea. And really read with my voice, imperfect voice. This is a rarity in this world, don't you think so? Oh, allow me to blurb a little bit. It makes it even more real, right? And I think artificial intelligence has not yet had the ability to blur and to smile silly and talk this way. Anyway, I will keep on making these stories, and I find it quite self-fulfilling, self-enriching, and self-comforting. So thank you for your time to listen to me. Maybe you can do something else more important. Anyway, yeah. Just make sure I am not too selfishly, narcissistically taking too much of your time. Okay? You decide. You decide. This is not educational. This is not something that is important. It just, if it allows you to fall asleep, that is more than making me happy. Is this the right way to say more than making me happy? It sounds a little bit pretentious or a little bit too polite. It just makes me happy. Okay, I will use the real human words. It makes me happy if this makes you fall asleep. Okay.